Hey folks, welcome back. Today I'm diving into the essentials of Azure Monitor. If you're an IT professional looking to get the most out of your Azure setup, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of setting up alerts, diagnostics, and leveraging Azure Log Analytics and application insights. Let's get started. First up, Azure Monitor. Think of Azure Monitor as your all-seeing eye in the cloud. It helps you maximize the performance and availability of your applications by delivering a comprehensive solution for collecting, analyzing, and acting on telemetry from your cloud and on-premises environments. So why should you care about Azure Monitor? Well, it provides the data you need to understand how your applications are performing and proactively identifies issues affecting them and the resources they depend on. All right, let's jump into setting up alerts. Alerts in Azure Monitor help you stay on top of critical conditions in your Azure environment. To set up an alert, head over to the Azure portal. Navigate to Monitor and then to Alerts. From there, hit New Alert Rule. Select the resource you want to monitor, define the condition, and specify the action group. An action group can include notifications like email, SMS, or even calling a webhook. Don't forget to give your alert rule a name and save it. Voila, you're now set to receive alerts whenever the specified condition is met. Next, Diagnostic. Diagnostic settings in Azure Monitor allow you to collect more detailed logs and metrics from your resources. To set this up, go to your Azure resource. Select Diagnostic Settings under the Monitoring section. Click on Add Diagnostic Setting, choose the logs and metrics you want to collect, and specify where to send them. This could be a log analytics workspace, an event hub, or a storage account. Save your settings and you're all set. This is crucial for deeper insights and troubleshooting. Now onto Azure Log Analytics. This is the brain of Azure Monitor. It enables you to query and analyze the logs collected from your resources. To get started, navigate to your Log Analytics workspace in the Azure portal. Use the query editor to write queries in Custo Query Language, KQL. For example, you can write a query to find all failed login attempts over the past 24 hours. Once you've written your query, you can save it, create alerts based on it, or pin it to a dashboard for easy access. This flexibility makes it an invaluable tool for any IT professional. Lastly, let's talk about Application Insights. Application Insights is specifically designed to monitor the performance and usage of your applications. To set it up, simply add the Application Insights SDK to your application, configure the instrumentation key, and deploy. From there, you can automatically collect telemetry data like request rates, response times, failure rates, and even custom events and metrics. Use this data to gain insights into how your application is performing and where improvements are needed. So there you have it. A quick guide to getting started with Azure Monitor. Setting up alerts, diagnostics, log analytics, and application insights will give you the tools you need to keep your Azure environment running smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on future tutorials. Catch you in the next one.